Are you ready to unlock a simple yet powerful secret to better health? Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of dates and discover how eating just 3 a day can transform your well-being. Today, we're shining the spotlight on dates, a humble fruit with extraordinary benefits. Get ready to be amazed. In today's fast-paced world, many of us struggle with common health issues like poor digestion, sluggishness, and heart concerns. But fear not, because nature has provided us with a delicious solution: dates. These sweet fruits pack a punch when it comes to combating these challenges. Let's dive into the nutritional treasure trove that dates offer. Rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, they're not just a tasty treat but also a powerhouse of nutrients. The history of dates dates back thousands of years, where they were revered for their nourishing properties in ancient civilizations like Mesopotamia and Egypt. Before we continue, I want to remind you that this video is for educational purposes only. It's no substitute for professional health advice. And don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for, the incredible health benefits of eating 3 dates a day. Here are 8 remarkable benefits. 1. Improved digestion. Dates are loaded with fiber, promoting healthy digestion and preventing constipation. 2. Boosted heart health. Potassium in dates helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. 3. Enhanced energy levels. With natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, dates provide a quick energy boost. 4. Better bone health. Rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, dates support strong bones. 5. Vision protection. Vitamin A in dates supports eye health, preventing macular degeneration and cataracts. 6. Healthy skin. Vitamin C and D nourish the skin, promoting elasticity and preventing premature aging. 7. Improved brain function. Potassium and antioxidants in dates support brain health, enhancing cognitive function. 8. Natural antioxidant. Dates contain flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acid, fighting free radicals and reducing inflammation. To wrap up, let's recap the science-backed benefits of incorporating dates into your daily routine. From better digestion to enhanced heart health and increased energy, these fruits offer a myriad of advantages for your overall well-being. Check the link in the description for more information about studies on dates' health benefit. Are you intrigued? I challenge you to try eating 3 dates a day for a month and experience the difference firsthand. Don't forget to share your journey with us in the comments below. Together, let's embrace the power of dates and take a step towards a healthier, happier life. Now, if you're finding value in what you're learning, consider subscribing to our channel to stay updated on all our latest health content. Thanks for watching.